welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing another what I eat in a day. So basically, I'm just taking my camera around all day with me and sharing with you guys everything that I'm eating. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I am a registered dietitian. I make lots of videos on nutrition, health, wellness, lifestyle, and also lots of stuff on intuitive eating. I am definitely an intuitive eater. I don't cut anything out. I don't follow any kind of diet. I just basically eat whatever my body is really wanting, and I really do tune into my body and really try and listen to it. And I'm also just really, I love healthy food, so obviously you're going to see a lot of that. But I am also currently 37 weeks pregnant. If I sound a little out of breath, that is why. So I'm also, my eating is a little bit different these days just because there's not a whole lot of room in there. So a lot of small meal slash large snacks. So that's kind of what you'll be, what you can expect to see. But yeah, so if you guys want to see everything that I'm eating as a 37-week pregnant lady, I can't believe we were getting this close to the end. Let's get started. Okay guys, so about to make my breakfast. I have a piece of toast here. I'm topping it with peanut butter and then also some slices of banana. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon on top. I've been loving this combination for breakfast recently because it's kind of light, but it's still really filling. And as I get further and further along, can you like hear how out of breath I am? As I get further and further along, the meals just keep getting smaller and smaller. And I just try and eat more frequently. So this is something I've been having a lot for breakfast lately, and it's so good. So this is what it looks like. It looks so good. It also smells delicious. And then also Matt got me this coffee, so I'm showing you guys. I haven't really been like a big coffee drinker at all during pregnancy. I normally love hot coffee in the morning, but I just like don't have a taste for it while pregnant. But sometimes, every once in a while I drink it. I highly doubt, I will probably drink half of this maybe, because caffeine affects me so much more now because I just don't drink it nearly as much. Okay guys, so it's been a couple hours and I'm really hungry, so I'm having like an early lunch. I've just got some spaghetti squash in here, some ground turkey, and then also some marinara sauce. This was kind of like leftovers from a dinner we did a couple nights ago. And if you want to see how I make spaghetti squash, I just recently posted a video where I show you guys like 3 different dinner ideas, and spaghetti, like roasted spaghetti squash with meat sauce is one of them, so you guys can go check out that video if you want to see how I do it. It's so easy and it's really good. Hey guys, so it is a little while later. It's been a couple hours. I am hungry. I am gonna have another snack, but first I'm gonna get dinner in the crock pot because it's about that time. I'm gonna be making chili, which is not shocking at all because I eat chili like, it feels like every single day. We eat chili in the fall and winter. That's not actually true. But I am making white chicken chili, so totally different than my normal like tomato-based turkey chili or, you know, beef chili, whatever. So that's what I'm gonna be making. I just got the recipe off of Pinterest. I love Pinterest for recipes. That's where I find so many of the recipes that I use because it's just like a bunch of blogs put all of their recipes on there. So I will link that down below. It's not my recipe. So if you guys want to see how I'm making this, you can go check that out. But I'm gonna get everything in there and get that cooking so it's done. I have my pelvic floor class tonight, so I just don't want to be dealing with dinner later. And this is like something easy to eat, you know, a little while before I go out the door to that. So I'm gonna get that together, and then I'm definitely gonna have some kind of snack. Whew, you guys, I'm out of breath. And I will show you whatever I'm having. Okay, dinner is all set in the crock pot, and now I'm gonna have a snack. I'm definitely gonna make some kind of like yogurt bowl, so I'll show you guys what I'm using. All right, so I've got some Siggy's vanilla. This is my favorite yogurt. I'm gonna top it with some granola. I love this granola, and then also these are just like some coconut flakes. I'm gonna put some of those on there too, and then I'm gonna throw a couple of these little guys on here. I found these at Whole Foods the other day and they're actually really good. They're just like little almond coconut bites and they're pretty tasty and the ingredients are really awesome. So I've been kind of snacking on these, but I feel like they'll be good in the yogurt bowl. So I'm gonna throw that together and then I'll show you. Okay, so here's my yogurt bowl. Got my yogurt, granola, coconut, and then these little coconut bite things. And then also, here is my red raspberry leaf tea. I'm gonna start sipping on this now too while I enjoy my yogurt. And I'll just drink this throughout the rest of the day. And then there's our crockpot meal. Hey guys, so it's a little later on now. We're gonna be eating dinner very soon. Crockpot meal is not quite, or the chicken chili, whatever, is not quite done yet. But I am going to quickly eat. I'm gonna have another small snack of some good old dates. So I recently, in the past like week or so, started eating dates. I'm trying to eat them every day because there's actually a lot of just like interesting research that dates, and this is like pretty well known, so I'm sure a lot of you probably already know this, but dates can actually help potentially with having a smoother labor and birth, as far as just like it being shorter, dilating faster. Like there's some kind of fascinating research out there. So a lot of times women, when they're about a month out, will start eating dates, or some might even start sooner. I don't know. I started at around 36 weeks. And so I have medjool dates, which are like the bigger one, like the much larger ones. There's also smaller dates. Still can't remember the name. Couldn't remember the name in my pregnancy baby haul that I just did recently. Still can't remember the name now, but they have smaller ones. And typically it's like you want to eat 6 a day, but that's if you're having the smaller ones. Because if you actually look at the studies, it's like 75 grams a day of date consumption is like kind of what they looked at. And that would be about 3 of these guys-ish, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna have a few of those. I actually like dates, but I don't love dates, and eating them every day for like a week, I'm already kind of sick of them, which is, you know, whatever, but I mean, it's worth it. So I usually just do a little bit of peanut butter on there, and I usually just put on like a few chocolate chips because that's just an easier way to get them down. Not that they're like awful, but I just don't love them. But I wanted to ask you guys if you guys have any tips, like how you like to eat dates. I mean, I know you can like cook them into things, but it's just easier to like, you know, eat them whole and get it out of the way. So if you guys have any tips or recommendations on how you like to eat dates, let me know, because I'm gonna be eating a lot of dates for the next few weeks. All right, so here are my cute little dates. I took the pits out, put a little slab of peanut butter on each one, and then some chocolate chips. So I'm gonna eat those, and then we're gonna have dinner real soon. All right guys, so here's what the creamy white chicken chili looks like when it's all done. It smells so good. So we're gonna pour some bowls of that and then eat, and then I gotta go to my class. But yeah, so here is my dinner. Rosie's very interested. So we're gonna have that, and yeah. Okay, so I'm back from my class, and I'm kind of actually a little bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna have a little something. I'm thinking I'm just gonna make like a little half PB&J. I've like had a thing for PB&Js while pregnant, and probably a few nights a week I end up having one at night. But I don't want like a lot, so I think I'm just gonna do like a half of one, and yeah. So I've got my bread here, just peanut butter that I show all the time I get from Costco, and then this, I don't know if you guys can see it, there we go, organic strawberry fruit spread. This one's from Trader Joe's. I love strawberry. I guess it's like a technically not a PB and jelly, peanut butter and jelly, because I always use jam. Strawberry is my favorite, so that's what I'm having. So there we go, just a little mini peanut butter and jelly, so I'm gonna have that. take my supplements and head upstairs to go, you know, shower and do my whole nighttime routine, time to relax. But yeah, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know you guys love these videos, so it's always fun when I get to share. So definitely stay tuned. There'll be more videos up until baby girl comes, and I should have probably mentioned this earlier in the video, but I do want to say, or do want to let you guys know that once she is here, which should probably be in like a few weeks, I am going to be scaling back a little bit on my videos. I'm going to be going down to 1 video a week. I honestly don't know how long that's going to last for. I'm planning on pre-filming some videos before she arrives so that I can have like a month or so of videos to go up like 1 a week. But yeah, definitely stay tuned. It should be interesting. But I just want to let you guys know that so you're kind of aware of that shift that is coming, because there is a major shift coming in our life. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram so we can hang out on there too. But that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Baby.